And this is a problem. A lot of people struggle with this. And I ain't even gonna lie to you. Even I struggled with this before. And that's why I decided to make this video. See, this can get really frustrating, especially when you're not getting any sales. I've seen people charge $5 for leases or have deals like buy one get 50 free. Hey, don't ever do that. But it's only $5, who doesn't have $5? Nah, don't do that. Some people even charge $50 for their MP3 leases. This might be a big reason why even your $5 beats don't get any sales. Because your customers might think there's a catch or something. They might think there's something wrong with the beat.
All that for 50? Man, this shit weak as something, man.
Hey, man,
Sound me,
you heard me, man. It's the best product in town, man. Don't insult me here.
You might not believe me, but the price is not the problem. Lots of us producers are making the mistake of focusing on getting a sale, but not on building a strong relationship with our customers. So how should I price my beats? You can start by researching your competition. Find some small producers in your niche with around 1 and 10K followers and look at what they charge. That's what you should be charging. But that's not everything. You should focus more on what you can offer. Do something that makes you stand out from a competition. Maybe your competition doesn't even respond to their customers when they have a question. Or maybe they don't help their customers and just focus on closing the sale. If that's the case, you responding to your customers and actually helping them and not just focusing on closing the sale, that will make you stand out. Your customers will even pay more just for that customer service. So it's not about the price, but what you can offer. And trust me, artists don't care about the price unless you're overcharging. I've had artists pay $50 for just one MP3 lease. So don't be afraid to up your prices. Focus on the quality of your beats, the relationship with your customers, and what you can offer. And that's it for today's video. Appreciate y'all for staying till the end. I'm out.